It's Christmas morning. Baby, look at me. You helping him?
Here. It's hard. Here.
This is Anthony opening up his first present. He's trying to figure out what to do with it. He's not sure. You need some scissors?
Use your hand. Use your hand.
Here's some scissors to cut that string.
Thank you, babe. There you go, sweetheart.
There you go, buddy.
You're doing it. Okay,
Tear that.
Tear it. Just don't eat it.
Tear it and put it right in your mouth.
Do not eat it. Baby's first books.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, look at that.
Wow, buddy.
Okay, tear
What do you think of that?
Tear it. Tear it. Tear it. Oh my God. Look at that. Okay, tear it. Tear it some more. Tear it some more.
There you go.
This is from Margot and Matt. Okay, pose and smile.
Let's see. Let's take a